that cater to different needs and preferences. Here are some of the best rental apps, covering various categories. Airbnb. Airbnb is one of the most well-known rental platforms for short-term accommodations. It offers a wide range of options, including entire homes, apartments, rooms, and unique stays like tree houses or castles. Zillow Rentals. Zillow Rentals is a comprehensive app for finding long-term rentals, including houses, apartments, condos, and townhomes. It provides detailed listings with photos, price information, and filters to narrow down your search. Trulia Rentals. Similar to Zillow Rentals, Trulia Rentals is another popular app for finding long-term rentals. It offers search filters based on price, location, amenities, and more, helping renters find the perfect home. Apartment Finder. Apartment Finder specializes in helping users find apartments for rent. It offers a user-friendly interface with detailed listings, photos, floor plans, and neighborhood information. Rent.com. Rent.com is a rental app that provides listings for apartments, houses, and condos for rent across the United States. It allows users to search based on location, price range, number of bedrooms, and amenities. HotPads. HotPads is a rental app that focuses on apartments, houses, and condos for rent. It offers map-based search functionality, allowing users to explore available rentals in specific neighborhoods. PadMapper. PadMapper aggregates rental listings from various sources, including Craigslist and property management websites. It provides a map-based interface to visualize available rentals in specific areas. Apartmentscom. Apartmentscom offers a wide selection of apartments for rent across the United States. It provides detailed listings with photos, floor plans, and virtual tours to help renters find their ideal apartment. Flip is a rental app that focuses on short-term sublets and leases. It allows users to find and list sublet opportunities, making it ideal for those looking for flexible rental options. Roomy. Roomy specializes in helping users find roommates and shared housing arrangements. It features for finding roommates, searching for shared apartments, and managing rental payments. These rental apps cater to different preferences and needs, whether you're looking for short-term accommodations, long-term rentals, apartments, houses, or shared living arrangements. It's essential to explore these options and choose the one that best suits your requirements.